You're the creep. You're the creep.
How? You can see all.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they did.
Recording, by the way.
Super.
What is
So people could be aware of men like him.
Yeah.
You.
It's looking at toys for a night.
You're there.
And I'm going right there. Yeah. I'm gonna be right here, I think.
And that she's all the way there. The girl that's wearing
right there.
white.
Here, right there.
Now you're there.
Yeah.
From here to there. Is that a toy section, honey?
Yeah, it's just toy.
Okay.
It's almost like waiting for you there. Hello. You know, mommy don't wear any kind of jewelry, right?
I made her. You made it? I made, but she wasn't for
Yung nag-aantay ako sa yung sa meeting room. She thinks I'm looking at him, her. See? Ito yun, oh. Ito.
Oh,
Tingin
you're
ako.
not even peeking. What
I know.
does she mean like you're peeking
know.
there?
Tapos pupuntahin na yan dito. Tinan mo.
You've been walking around.
Yeah. Sabi niya, why are you shaking? Sabi niya sa akin. Dude, taking hypertensive meds. They expect. There. Watch. She thinks I'm peeking. Look. I'm looking for stuff. Look. Yeah. Sabi niya, see?